Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about computer ethics and crimes. So let's start. Computer ethics is a system of moral standards or values used as a guideline for computer users. Computer crime refers to the misuse of computer and its resource for illegal and unauthorized work. Now we will know about virus, worms and Trojan horse. A worm is similar to a virus by its design and is considered to be a subclass of a virus. Worms spread from computer to computer, but unlike a virus, it has the capability to travel without any help from a person. A Trojan horse is not a virus. It's remember always a Trojan horse is not a virus. It is a destructive program that looks as a genuine application. How we can protect our computer system from virus. So first is antivirus. We should install any type of antivirus program in our computer system like Norton, McAfee or Kaspersky, etc. Firewall. A firewall provides another level of protection to prevent incoming attacks. Operating system update. Windows update and update of your browsers fills any security holes and bugs which hackers can use to access your computer. Now we will know about spyware or adware. Spyware, it is a type of malware that aims to gather information and sends it to the hacker without your knowledge. How we can protect our system from spyware? You should install an effective spyware detection software. Check if any unnecessary software is installed. You should uninstall it. Keep your system and browsers updated. Carefully read and close any warning boxes that looks like that important messages. Be careful while installing free programs or game. It may contain spyware. We will know about spam. So spam is just unwanted emails. It is only the messaging system to send an unsolicited message to large number of recipients for the purpose of advertisement. How we can protect our system from spam? You use spam filtering setting in your email. Share your personal email ID only with those you trust. Create separate email accounts for public use. Don't display your email ID online for everyone. Now we will know about phishing and farming. Phishing, it's a type of social engineering attack often used to steal users' data including login credentials and credit card numbers. Farming, it requires protected access to target a computer such as altering a customer home computer. How we can protect our system from phishing and farming? Install anti-phishing software. Never give any sensitive information related to finance and security like pins, password, transaction detail, etc. Always cross-check the source of email. Regularly check your financial statement and account details. What is internet fraud and scam? We should know. Internet fraud is a type of cybercrime fraud or deception which make use of the internet and could involve hiding of information or providing incorrect information for the purpose of tricking victims out of money or property and inheritance. How we can protect? Do not accept offers impulsively. Avoid individuals asking for donations. Avoid accepting any financial transaction with online whom you have never met especially. Now we will know about cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is bullying that takes place over digital devices like cell phones, computers and tablets. Now we will know about malicious smartphone applications. Many smartphone applications seems attractive but it contains malicious code and still information is stored in the smartphone without your knowledge. How we can protect our smartphone? You should know some tips. Set up emergency number for instant calling. Protect your phone from physical theft. Keep good password and pattern protection. Sign out of and close the app that are used. Avoid automatic downloading. Keep a regular backup of your phone data.